Lean and agile organizational design approaches. Organizations today must be adaptable, efficient, and customer-focused to remain competitive. Lean and agile organizational design approaches help businesses optimize their processes, reduce waste, and respond quickly to changes. In this lesson, we'll explore what lean and agile structures look like, their benefits and challenges, and how companies can successfully implement these approaches. Understanding lean organizational design. The lean approach originates from manufacturing, specifically the Toyota production system, but its principles have been widely adopted across industries. Lean organizational design focuses on maximizing value while minimizing waste. Key principles of lean organizations. 1. Customer centricity, prioritizing customer needs and continuously improving processes to enhance value. 2. Eliminating waste, reducing inefficiencies, redundant work, and bottlenecks. 3. Continuous improvement, Kaizen, encouraging incremental improvements at all levels of the organization. R4. Decentralized decision-making, empowering employees to make informed decisions to speed up workflows. 5. Cross-functional collaboration, encouraging teamwork across departments to streamline processes. Benefits of lean organizations. Increased efficiency and cost reduction. Faster product and service delivery. Improved customer satisfaction through continuous feedback loops. Challenges of lean organizational design. Requires a cultural shift toward data-driven decision-making. Can be difficult to scale in large, traditional enterprises. Risk of focusing too much on efficiency and losing flexibility. Understanding agile organizational design. Agile originated in software development with the Agile Manifesto, but has since been applied to broader business operations. Agile organizations are structured around flexibility, iteration, and customer responsiveness. Key features of agile organizations. 1. Small cross-functional teams. Teams work in short cycles, sprints, to quickly deliver value. 2. Iterative approach. Continuous testing, learning, and refining to ensure better outcomes. 3. Empowered employees. Teams have the autonomy to make decisions and take ownership of their work. 4. Customer feedback loops. Regular feedback is gathered and incorporated to improve products or services. 5. Minimal bureaucracy. Agile organizations minimize hierarchical decision-making to remain flexible. Benefits of agile organizations. Faster adaptation to market changes. Higher employee engagement due to increased autonomy. Greater innovation through rapid experimentation and feedback. Challenges of agile organizational design. Requires strong leadership to prevent chaos and misalignment. Not suitable for highly regulated industries with strict compliance requirements. Teams may struggle with accountability if roles and goals are not clearly defined. Implementing lean and agile in your organization. To transition to a lean or agile structure, organizations should assess current processes and identify inefficiencies or bottlenecks. Train leadership and employees on lean and agile principles. Start with pilot projects before scaling these approaches across departments. Adopt supporting technology, such as project management tools for tracking progress. Create a culture of adaptability, where employees feel comfortable with continuous change. Case studies. Companies using lean and agile design. 1. Toyota, pioneering lean manufacturing, uses lean principles to minimize waste and maximize efficiency in production. Implements Kaizen for continuous improvement across all teams. 2. Spotify Agile Squad model. Organizes teams into small autonomous squads that operate like startups. Uses Agile frameworks to deliver fast updates to its music streaming platform. 3. Amazon Lean and Agile Hybrid. Uses lean principles in supply chain management to optimize efficiency. Implements agile methodologies in software development to quickly iterate features. Final thoughts. Lean and agile organizational design approaches are powerful strategies for improving efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Companies that integrate these methodologies into their structures can remain competitive and responsive in a fast-changing business environment. In the next lesson, we will explore how to balance structure and flexibility in modern organizations to optimize performance.